To add your EBT card to the Meijer app, start by opening the app on your mobile device. If you do not have the Meijer app, download it from the App Store. Once the app is open, tap the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines, and select the option that says Payment Methods or Payment Options. Next, select the option to add a new payment method, and then choose EBT as the payment type. You will be prompted to enter your EBT card information, including the card number and expiration date. Enter the information carefully and accurately to avoid any errors. After entering your EBT card information, you may be asked to verify your identity and card details. This is a standard security measure to ensure that your EBT card is being added to the app securely. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. Once your EBT card has been verified, it will be added to the Meijer app as a payment method. You can then use your EBT card to make purchases through the app. To do this, simply select EBT as the payment method at checkout, and enter your card information to complete the transaction. It is essential to note that you can only use your EBT card to purchase eligible items through the Meijer app. Eligible items include food and other essential products that are authorized by the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. You cannot use your EBT card to purchase non-eligible items, such as alcohol or tobacco products. To ensure a seamless shopping experience, make sure to keep your EBT card information up to date in the Meijer app. If your EBT card is lost, stolen, or expired, update the information in the app to avoid any issues with payment. Additionally, be aware of your EBT card balance before making a purchase to avoid any declined transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily add your EBT card to the Meijer app and start making purchases online. Remember to always keep your EBT card information secure and up to date to ensure a convenient and hassle-free shopping experience.